finally we will save these settings so we can restore them when we restart the game. And for that we're gonna create a config file. So first we prepare a text file, and this file needs to be outside of this res folder, because once you export your program as a jar, basically you can no longer write something into a resource. So yeah, right click and new untitled text file. First type something and save. Choose your project and OK. So here, and rename this as config and delete this. Okay, so we're gonna save our options setting in this config file. So to do that, first we create another class, config, game panel, public constructor, get game panel, and we're gonna create two methods in this class. One is save config, and the other one is load config. Alright, then first save config. So we use this buffered writer, bw equal new buffered writer, and pass this file writer, and here we're gonna type the file name, so config.txt, and okay, import, and I think, yeah, we need to surround it with try and catch. And then first we save the full screen setting. So if gp.fullscreen_on equal true, then so we're gonna use this buffered writer and write anything is fine, but like for example like on, and if full screen on call false, then we're gonna type off. Alright, oops. Okay, has finished downloading Steins Gate 0. I'm gonna play that later. Then line break, so new line, next line, and then we're gonna save music volume, bw.write. So here we're gonna save the volume scale, music's volume scale. We cannot write integer, so we need to convert it to string. So string dot value of gp dot music dot volume scale, and new line, next line, then sc volume. So bw.write string.value of gp.sc.volume scale, and that's everything, I think. Yeah. in case we gonna add something else later, so let's type new line, and we're gonna close this buffered writer. Next, this load config. So this time we're gonna use buffered reader. br equal new buffered reader, new file reader, and config.txt. And again, we need to surround it with try and catch. Okay, and we create this temporal string like s, and vr.read line. So we're gonna read what is written in this config file and get it as a string. So full screen. So if this s is equal to on, then we're gonna set this full screen setting to true. And if this is off, then this is false. Okay, why I'm seeing this error? Okay, I think this is not file not found exception, but just the exception. Yeah, okay. And next we're gonna restore the music volume. So if s equal, not if but so s equal br.read line, so we're gonna read the next line and get it as s. So gp.music.volume scale, and this time we're gonna convert this string to integer. So integer.parse int s, and do the same for se. So se, and okay, so let's close this br.close. Yeah, that's it, I think. And now go to the game panel. We're gonna instantiate this class. So config equal new config, and pass this jpanel, game panel. And okay, so in this UI class, at the end of this options top method, we're gonna add this line gp.config.saveConfig. So every time this options top method gets called, we save the current setting. So whenever you change full screen settings or these volumes, everything is saved in the config file. And now we're gonna restore this saved data. So let's go to this main class. Okay, so here I think we're gonna load this config file. So game panel.config.load config, and if game panel.fullscreen on equal true, then so if full screen is on, then we're gonna do this set undecorated true. So we don't need this, we take care of it here. And if this is not true, then we don't do anything. So we can retain the top bar. And also game panel. So here, set full screen. We only call this method if full screen is on. So full screen on, call true. Then we call this method. Yeah, like this. Okay, I think that's everything. So let's check. I think we got some error. What is this? File not found exception. Oh, I think I need to add this txt. Okay. .txt. One more time. Okay. Yeah. I think null pointer because we haven't set anything, so that's okay. It's only for the first time. Yeah, off, and music is like 3-3. Okay, no error. Alright, and so see this config setting. So we're gonna switch to the full screen and music mute, SE scale 4 or something, and see, we saved the settings. So if you restart the game, now the game starts in full screen. And yeah, we retain these volume settings as well. Yeah, like this. Yeah, it's working, I think. So that's everything. So now we can change our game settings and save them in a config file. So we can play in full screen or windowed, with sound or without sound. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I like this kind of flexibility. Anyway, that's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time.